Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Unfortunately, Google's Chrome built-in PDF viewer doesn't have a native dark mode feature that inverts the colors of the document itself. While you can set your entire browser to a dark theme, this only affects the menus, toolbars, and settings pages, not the content of a PDF. However, to activate a true dark mode for PDFs in Chrome, you need to use a browser extension. These extensions work by inverting the colors of the PDF document contents, turning the white background black and the black content or text white. So don't worry, we will cover that today. Now, the first method is using a dedicated PDF dark mode extension. This is the most straightforward and effective method as these extensions are built specifically for this purpose. Go ahead and open the Chrome Web Store. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In here, search for PDF dark mode or a similar item. Now choose an extension. Popular and well-reviewed options include this one called DarkPDF. This extension is designed to toggle dark mode on and off with a single click. It also offers a feature to automatically apply dark mode to PDFs you open, and it can also be configured to work with local files as well. So we also have another one called PDF dark mode, another dedicated extension that works similarly, inverting the colors of PDFs with predominantly white backgrounds. You can now go ahead and install the extension, click add to Chrome, and then confirm the installation with a few steps afterwards. Let's get the activate for local files. This is a crucial step if you want to use the extension on PDFs saved on your computer. Go to your Chrome extensions page by typing chrome:/extensions in the address bar here. Now find the extension you just installed and click on details. Toggle on the option that says allow access to file URLs. Use the extension. Now, when you open a PDF in a new tab, simply click on the extension icon in your toolbar to toggle the dark mode on or off. The other method is using a general purpose dark mode extension, which is also called Dark Reader. Dark Reader is one of the most popular and comprehensive dark mode extensions available. It's designed to apply a dark theme to virtually every website you visit, and with the right settings, it can also work on PDFs. Just install Dark Reader still in here. Just search for Dark Reader, find and install the Dark Reader extension from here still, and then enable for local files. Similar to the dedicated extensions, you might enable file access for Dark Reader to work on local PDFs. Go to Chrome:/extensions, find Dark Reader and click details. Toggle on allow access to file URLs. Use Dark Reader now. Open a PDF in Chrome, click on the Dark Reader icon in your toolbar to turn it on. Dark Reader will then apply its dark theme to the PDF. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and other settings to get the perfect reading experience. These are some of the important notes and troubleshooting. If you have flickering, some extensions may cause a brief flicker of the light theme before the dark theme is applied. This is often unavoidable, but is usually momentary. We also have images. Most dark mode extensions will not invert the colors of images and graphics within the PDF, as this can make them unreadable. Also, we have browser compatibility. While these methods are designed for Chrome, similar extensions are often available for other Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge and Brave. We also have system settings. Keep in mind that setting your operating system to dark mode or using Chrome's force dark mode flag will only affect the browser's user interface. It will not by itself change the appearance of a PDF document. Now, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.